Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For today's episode, I present my roasted red pepper vinaigrette. Using a shortcut here and there, this recipe offers a hint of smokiness and an all-around balance of acidity and sweetness to flavor up any boring or bland salad. Let me show you how to make it. One simple shortcut is to use pre-roasted red peppers in a jar like these here. It saves a lot of time and still delivers that smoky flavor we want without all the mess. We'll be using about half of this 16-ounce jar, which measures to about 1 cup. Be sure to include some of the brine as well. This will help add some extra flavor. Use the side of a large knife and crush 1 clove of garlic. Remove and discard the peeling. A lot of flavor from this recipe will come from the type of oil we use. I recommend something like this mild extra virgin olive oil. It's very flavorful without having an overpowering taste. Feel free to use your favorite, but just be aware the oil you use will impact the overall flavor of the vinaigrette. Add the peppers to a blender, along with our peeled garlic clove, salt, ground black pepper, dried basil, onion powder, a granulated sugar substitute equal to 4 teaspoons of regular sugar, a little Worcestershire sauce, and some red wine vinegar. Cover and blend until everything is liquefied. Now we'll create an emulsion by running the blender on low speed and slowly drizzling about 1/4 cup of oil into the dressing. After the oil has been added, cover and run on medium or high for about 5 to 10 seconds. Remove the lid and scrape down any seasonings and liquid on the sides. Run for a couple of seconds to mix. Pour into a container and refrigerate for at least 3 hours to chill and come together. Serve chilled on a bed of greens. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my roasted red pepper vinaigrette. Another tasty, full-flavored option for your low-carb diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.